Brand Acer. Model name Acer Chromebook Spin 714 CP714-2WN74R0. Screen size 14 inches. Color gray. CPU model Intel Core i7-1355U. RAM memory installed size 8 GB. Operating system Chrome OS. Special feature backlit keyboard, support Stylus. Graphics card description integrated. Graphics coprocessor Intel Iris Xe graphics. See less. Hi, I'm Abdul. Hi, review side. Please subscribe my channel. About this item. Chromebook laptops run on Chrome OS, an operating system by Google that is built for the way we live today. It updates automatically, boots up in seconds and continues to stay fast over time. Internet connection is required. Get the best of Google AI and 2 TB of storage for 12 months with the new Chromebook Plus. Chromebook Plus comes with 12 months of the Google One AI Premium plan, including Gemini Advanced and Gemini and Gmail, Docs, and more to boost your productivity and creativity. Plus, you get 2 TB of secure cloud storage from Google One. The power to perform. Don't sacrifice performance, graphics, or battery life to get a thin and light laptop. Enjoy superior performance with the Acer Chromebook Spin 714, based on the Evo platform. It charges fast, lasts, and wakes instantly and is super thin and light. Now featuring a 13th Gen Intel Core processor with dedicated Intel Iris Xe graphics, delivering superior performance where you need it most. Vivid visuals. The 1610 14-inch WQXGA 2560 by 1600 IPS narrow bezel display with 100% sRGB coverage gives you vibrant, highly accurate colors and a 16:10 aspect ratio to boost productivity with more vertical screen real estate. Convertible convenience. Utilize your Chromebook in ways you've never thought of before. Its 360-degree convertible modes give you the flexibility to easily switch from tablet, laptop, tent, and every angle in between at a moment's notice. Intel Core i7-1355U processor